Monostary, my druid. Kaktila! Hey, it's Mark with Pandemic Stay at Home and Train Martial Arts. Alright, I'm here to talk to you about Saber and Pistol. Alright, so if any of you have read any of the writings of Col Monostary, good guy to read. He trained both the Russians, the Americans, and was a soldier of fortune. He talked about using a pistol in your left hand and a saber in your right hand. The Cossacks were known for being able to do this as well. Very old school of fighting. You hear about it from guys who fought in the ships. So we want to be able to do what? Two different things and do them well. Okay, so what I did is I've got my Wave Master here to practice with. And then over here, right here, I have my target to shoot. So you're fighting here, you want to shoot to there. You want to get this habit where you turn here and cut and fire. Okay? So it's all close quarters work. You want to learn how to do this. So the drill's pretty simple. Forehand, backhand, or forehand. You can go forehand, backhand, shoot. Forehand, backhand, shoot again. Or you can go ahead and go forehand, backhand, stab, and shoot. So, okay? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that. Okay, not terribly a hard drill. Okay, so that's the basic forehand, backhand, fire. Okay, I'm using a target I don't want to move, so I don't have to keep picking it back up, but it's an easy one to use. Okay, the next one's going to be, I'm going to go forehand, okay, backhand, stab, fire. Okay, simple drill. Okay, next one's going to be backhand, thrust, fire. Okay? So, what was it? Backhand, thrust, fire. Okay? Alright, so each one of these represents targets you have to eliminate. So, we have what? I'm meeting him here, so I'm going to come in here. I'm going to cut, fire. Okay? Follow this guy up, just like that, okay? So, what can I say? Thank you for watching. This was Pandemic Stay at Home and Train Martial Arts number 30, and this was what? Cossack system. I wanted the Cossack system. I want to thank you for watching. You notice, simple, direct, forward. Support me out there. I'm out there on PayPal. I'm going to be setting up on Patreon. Appreciate all you viewers out there supporting this project. Stay safe, stay healthy. To all of you, Nasha Zarovia, which is to your health. And until next time, do svidaniya, my drugi.